everybody to Cooking with Granny and Mama's Soul Kitchen. Today we're going to go over swam biscuits, everybody. We went on and did a shortcut and used self-rising flour and sugar and buttermilk and made it into a nice form there. Melted a whole stick of butter in a casserole dish, poured the wetness into the dish with there and made sure the butter goes on the side of it and everything. Look at it, swirled it over on top of it and just made it bake in there for a good 25 to 30 minutes. We went on and checked in at 25 minutes and we went on and added, look at that, just look at that. Isn't it beautiful, everybody? Isn't it beautiful? Look at that nice crispy bottom edges. And the center was just so soft and delicious. I just couldn't get over it. Now look at that, everybody. We have it on the plate here. Now you gotta add some jam to it. Jam. Oh, jam. And then so when we added our jam, you can use grape, cherry, strawberry, whatever. But I like strawberry. So we went on, opened it up, added some more butter, and added the jelly on it. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that is so wonderful. It tasted heavenly. Thank you so much, Tik Tok, for sharing that recipe with us. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe, and we will be back with more recipes soon.